Today, we will discuss Kubernetes and Ansible. Both are essentially tools for automation. Ansible streamlines infrastructure setup and application deployment, whereas Kubernetes handles container orchestration and administration. Their goal is to decrease manual work and enhance efficiency in IT operations. Both tools are built to function in different cloud settings, such as public, private, and hybrid clouds. This adaptability renders them essential for contemporary cloud-native applications. Both aid in overarching aim of automating and optimizing IT workflows, though in different areas. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Kubernetes is a platform for orchestrating containers. It streamlines the deployment, scaling, and administration of containerized applications. It is created to oversee intricate, distributed applications that operate in containers. Container orchestration. It automates the deployment, scaling, and administration of containers. Self-repairing. It automatically reboots unsuccessful containers and substitutes them. It enables you to effortlessly adjust your applications upwards or downwards according to demand. Implementing and overseeing microservices, expanding containerized applications, executing applications in cloud native settings. Ansible is a tool for automating IT tasks. It emphasizes managing configurations, deploying applications, and automating tasks. It is intended to streamline tasks across various systems such as servers, networks, and storage devices. Agentless architecture. It utilizes SSH or WinRM to interact with managed nodes, removing the requirement for agent installation. Straightforward and simple to grasp, it utilizes YAML for playbooks, which makes it readable for humans and quite easy to comprehend. Concentrate on automating infrastructure. It performs exceptionally in areas such as server setup, software deployment, and configuration oversight. All in all, you might use Ansible to provision your servers and configure them, and then use Kubernetes to deploy and manage your containerized application on those servers. They can work very well together.